Hello to all members of the Kasangyangan Community Center. You know, I think of all the MFI, kami lang ang may ganitong programa na aside from the centers na mga umuutang at saka nagsisave, meron kaming na-organize na community organizations which will really focus on the total services to the community. So, ang purpose ng Kasangyangan Community Club is to upgrade the quality of life in the community where you are living.
It's a good day, we got sunlight we can't chase. We can see where it takes us, writing stories that shape us. It's a good time to find a little magic in the moonlight. All that we can discover in this sky full of wonder. We got everything beneath our feet, we see it all. Born for adventure, made to run free. Days we'll remember, with the world to see. Always ready to run when the wild's calling. Ready to run and we won't stop. We were born for adventure, made to run free. Days we'll remember, with the world to see. Always ready to run when the wild's calling. Ready to run and we won't stop. We were born for adventure. Born for adventure.
And of course, para mapanatili na buhay ang pagsasama sa community, kailangan din maprotektahan ang environment nyo. Matuto tayong mag-dispose properly ng mga garbage, makuha yung mga basura na pwedeng ipagbili para hindi napupollute ang ating paligid, no? At magkaroon tayo ng mga tree planting na hindi pang tarpaulin lang, hindi pang-event lang. Yun talagang part of our living kasi kung may puno tayo ng kahoy sa kapaligiran, that purifies our air na hinihinga natin araw-araw. Other thing is makes life our richer. Let's cultivate our art, our culture, yung mga kultura natin sa lugar natin. Ipagmalaki natin ang ating mga tao, ang ating mga bata na marunong tumula, marunong sumulat ng mga sanaysay, marunong magpaliwanag. No? So I hope we can consider the goals of our Kasangyangan Community Center as a way of making our life better in our community.
Look now, we got everything we need to make our way out. We can follow the ocean, yeah, we could live in the moment. And every sunrise, looking out, we see it all with fresh eyes. There's a hope that you can take with the dawn of a new day. We got everything beneath our feet, we see it all. Born for adventure.
Napaka-saya talaga na magsama-sama tayo kahit sa isang taon sa ganito pagkakataon. At itong diwa na ito ang nabibigay sa atin ng lakas, no? Puwersa. Ito yung nagbibigay ng pundasyon ng lakas sa ating pagsasama-sama. So, palakasin pa natin sapagkat hindi lamang tayo sa nakikilala sa papautang, kundi lalo tayo makikilala sa ating pakikipagkapwa, no? Pagsilbi sa ating sabi nga kahit neighbors lang natin, hindi bali na yung sa ibang isla, no? So patuloy natin yung ating ginagawa. Huwag natin kalimutan itong diwa na ito, hindi ito pampasko, no? Pero gaya sa lahat ng membro ng ACC, alam natin na pakikipagtulungan, pakikipagkapwa-tao, pagbigay ng magandang relasyon sa loob ng community ay kasama yan sa ating ginagawa.
Born for adventure. Born for adventure.
Thank you. Mabuhay tayong lahat. Mwah! Love you all.